This video is about a reason why I don't recommend all this bed gasket, the low quality paper gasket. In fact, basically paper gasket for these engines that are not meant for. Now you can see this engine had a head gasket valve issue. The timing belt cut, or either the timing or zero belt cut, so the valves got damaged in the process. And so when they change the valves or whatever they did there, so they used this paper gasket instead of the recommended one, which is metal. So you can see virtually this place gave up. You can see. So when it gave up, these two cylinders now lost compression. So I believe in the process, because combustion goes on here. So it now started, because there is now a gap here. So it started eating deep because it was passing that cover, the fire, everything was passing through here. So I think because of that, it now wounded here. So this is the cylinder bore. Which is also part of the engine block. So as it is now, we can't use this block anymore. It's possible it can be refilled and fired to stay smooth, but then with the material used in refilling it, will it be as strong as this to withstand the kind of combustion? I mean, you need to know the kind of combustion that goes into these cylinders, on top of the cylinder. So if it's not good enough like this, it won't be able, it means it's going to melt. And there's no gas. If you use the recommended gasket, which is the metal one, it cannot stay here because this place needs to be as flat as this. So basically this engine is condemned. That is the block. Funny enough, the cylinders are still intact. So the rings and cylinder walls are still okay, but then this has been condemned. Has condemned the block. So I recommend to the owner of the car to get another engine. So this is the Peugeot engine. I've selected it and just brought it to the car. So for this, they cut the manifold because they don't sell with the catalyst. So as you can see, let me see whether I can put on the light. Can't see inside the valve, but the valve looks enough. So far the looks good enough. Of course, we are going to change this. Use the old one and of course change this cover. We'll put back the old one. Now the VVT solenoid, can see this one here is not the other design. However, I saw another EW10A there, which has the other curved connector, this plastic here. So it appears, but it's just that this engine looks neater. So I decided to take this one. So it appears probably that they use either this or this as factor. So the thermostat as it was there, but they said they will not sell with it, so they removed it. The thermostat on it was the one with sensor, so it won't even work on yours. This place looks dry enough. The crankshaft position, crankshaft on the driveway side. So I don't think it's need replacement. The oil pump is there, and that pipe. Where is that pipe? Okay, so this is the pipe. So far it looks okay from here. I hope all this rusty paste will not start leaking soon. So this is how it works. You enter, this is the water pump, then comes to this. So now this is the engine oil. This is the oil engine. You can see the engine oil. When that gasket failed, so it has already, water has mixed up with the oil in the engine. So we have to buy another oil for this engine before I can start this to go on. Let's crank of this newly mounted Tokumbo engine. Crank it. Okay. Oh, the sound is the exhaust that is making that noise, not oh. I think it's misfire. Find out. It's misfire, no? It's a misfire. So let it run for a while to check to know. Maybe they need to remove the plug because you still have the Tokumbo spark plug in it. Maybe that is reducing. Okay, so far everything is okay. So everything is not smoking from the exhaust. So I've taken the car. Oh, let me switch off this light. So I just came back for a drive with the car, and of course the cause of the initial misfire was coming from cylinder 1. So I think that was probably carbon that was stuck on the valve. So he let it run for some minutes. Reset the initialize the engine ECU, went for a drive, and so far the fire is gone. So it wasn't like it's usually expected on an engine that is parked for a very long time. So I've cleared the fault before I went for about 30-kilometer drive, both low and higher speed. So came back, scanned the car, so no other faults. Of course, this is just remember change the alternator of this car. So the one they put didn't actually match the wiring system. So we will always be showing you this permanent fault. So other than that, no fault came back, no VVT solenoid issue, nothing. So so let me start the vehicle. Start the engine. So I see the engine is stable now. So everything is okay. It's not smoking. This is exhaust. No smoke. So what is mainly now is just to tidy up. Let's look at that. So let's see. So what is mainly now is to tidy up, couple of the protector under the engine, and what else? I don't think I really have time. So couple of every other thing, and probably by tomorrow we'll have the owner to come and fix the vehicle and carry it again. Okay, so that's a successful engine swap. Okay, so that's the end.